Hello safety warriors, I'm Radiant Raya and today we'll learn how to safely navigate animal crossings and narrow roads. These challenges are common in rural areas, so it's important to know how to drive cautiously. Animals can appear suddenly on the road. Slow down when you see animal crossing signs and be ready to stop if needed. Never honk or scare animals as it can cause accidents. Narrow roads need extra care. Keep to your side, reduce your speed, and be cautious when making turns. Always be aware of oncoming vehicles and give way when necessary. Here's a quick example. When approaching an animal crossing or a narrow road, reduce your speed, use your mirrors, and stay alert for any sudden changes. Let's create some guidelines for driving in rural areas with animal crossings and narrow roads. Always slow down near animal crossings. Don't honk or disturb animals. Drive carefully on narrow roads. Watch for sudden turns or obstacles. Great job today, safety warriors. Remember, animal crossings and narrow roads need extra care. Slow down, stay calm, and drive safely in rural areas. See you on the road.